is a supermarket stakeout.
Wow, coming in hot.
4 chefs are given $500 each to spend on groceries. They have to purchase ingredients from unsuspecting shoppers as they leave the store. The theme for your first stakeout is pizza night.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now in this round, you're shopping blind. You can't look inside anyone's bags until after you've bought them. But I do have a heart, so I will allow you to purchase groceries from as many shoppers as you like.
How much did you spend for your groceries, ma'am?
50?
I'll give you 100, ma'am, 100.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow.
Pie crust. Whip. What? Give me some tomato sauce. Give me some tomato sauce. No tomato sauce.
Cans of pie filling and pancake mix does not add up to make a pizza.
I'm going back. I need some tomato sauce.
How much did you spend on those groceries? I'll give you 200. And you get money for lunch. All right, here you go. Thank you so much. Mushrooms, macaroni and cheese, frozen. Might eat that. 2 frozen pizzas. Don't think I can do that. Lots of milk, buns, awesome. Onions and tomato, cheese. Fresh ground buffalo, awesome. I have these frozen pizzas, but I just can't do them. I can't.
I'll give you $100 for your groceries.
I took a while shopping now. What about 120?
20?
How do you know what I have?
20? I don't. Good. Thank you so much. Perfect. Chicken, string cheese, onions, sauce for the pizza. We got bread. We got tomatoes. Perfect. Arugula. Avocado. Oh, man, this is bomb.
How you doing, ma'am?
We're in a
How you doing,
competition.
ma'am?
I need to buy your basket.
I need that basket.
I'll give you 60.
I'll give you 75.
I'll give you 80.
90. I need you 90.
Give you
There you go.
100.
Okay.
100. There you go. Thank you. Ooh, I got garlic bread. Oh my God, thank you. I got lasagna with meat sauce. Oh, I got cat food. What am I gonna do with cat food? I have lashes. Dude, thank you. White pita there, tomatoes, goat cheese, ground lamb, hummus, tahini, and feta cheese.
She was obviously making a Greek theme night, but now it's going to be on a pizza.
I'm a part of this cooking competition. How much did you spend for your groceries?
$317.
I'll give you $10 for it, sir.
Okay, I need them right now.
What?
Thank you.
No, but sir, it's nothing to go back in the store and get it for yourself. Let me just buy it off you. $10, sir,
Okay,
please.
you know what? Here's the red belt.
Here you go, sir.
What? One ingredient. This is horrible.
Somebody's gonna come with that cheese.
I don't have anything for authentic pizza.
How you doing, ma'am? I would love to buy your groceries from you. How much did you pay for them?
75.
75? I'll give you $75, ma'am, for your groceries.
I'll take 80.
Take it. Here you go, ma'am.
In my mind, I know she have what I need.
I don't have cheese, I have sour cream. What is this? Beef loin, cabbage. Oh, we got more bread.
Can of soup, steak sauce.
Cheese, give me some cheese. Chicken first. No, I don't need this. Classics. I got some of this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is gonna be awesome.
Chef Chris, tell us what you made.
Sirloin pizza with sour cream cheese.
Chef Rosie, tell us what you made.
I've made a Greek-inspired pizza.
Chef Doug, tell us what you made.
Brioche bun bison pizza with a oat milk bechamel sauce.
Bella, tell us what you made.
So today I made chicken, veggie, sweet and sassy flatbread pizza with a avocado barbecue sauce.
Well, chefs, we were really impressed, but we do have to eliminate one of you, and that's going to be Chef Doug. Chef, you didn't have enough elements of a pizza, and you didn't have enough texture in that dish. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Congratulations, chefs. It's time to go shopping.
Yeah.
And things aren't getting any easier, because in this round, you can only purchase groceries from one shopper. I will let you go through the bags before you make your purchase.
Oh, good.
The theme for the second stakeout is backyard cookout.
Oh, okay.
Yes. We got some flank here. We got some carrots.
Oh, thank you.
I hear playing steak. Bella's got my carne asada.
So how much did you spend on this?
129.
120 if I gave you 140.
I give you 160.
Back up! I'll give you 200 for this card. Okay, I'll take 200.
That's too much money. I need to budget wisely.
We got some flank steak here. We got some carrots. Oh my God. Wine. Ooh, blueberry pie, baby tomato, some cheese, garlic bread. This is about to be so bomb. Ooh, ice cream and salad. Oh yes, backyard. Boom.
I see pineapples, I see watermelon. I need this cart.
I'll give you 120.
120?
120,
Okay.
here you go.
Take that.
I'll take it.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Made by me.
Watermelon.
He's got a watermelon. Yes. Yes.
Many pineapples.
Salmon, got some tomatoes. Oh yeah, we got some tuna. Oh Lord.
You paid $106. I'll give you $120. No?
This shopper is not walking away from me. She's literally going back home to have a barbecue with her kids.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 140.
Okay.
5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much. I got some strawberries, corn. She got chicken legs. I love this lady. She got some potatoes, and I got some veggies. This is really good stuff right here.
I'm floating out.
3, 2, 1. That's it.
Boom! Chef Chris, tell us what you made.
Grilled pineapple, watermelon salsa with pan-fried capers on top.
Chef Rosie, tell us what you made.
Carne asada with a little bit of chimichurri, elote asado, and I also made some potato salad.
Chef Bella, tell us what you made.
So today I made for you an open-faced steak summer sandwich.
All right, chefs, so the judges have tasted your dishes. One of you is done for the day. Judges, who's headed to their own backyard? Bella.
Okay. The presentation was not cohesive.
In this round, you can only use 5 ingredients to make your dish. You can go up to as many shoppers as you like, look through their bags, but you can only buy 5 ingredients. The theme for your final round is wrap it.
Okay.
Something delicious wrapped in something else.
Can I buy those bananas from you, ma'am? Bananas?
I could do a lot of things with bananas.
$10, please. Thank you so much. How you doing, sir? This is mangoes?
Yes.
I know with the mangoes I can make a nice compote, perfect filling to make a dessert wrap.
$20 for this, sir.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's nice, sir.
Oh, you took the mangoes? Brown
Thank you.
Let's see what you got.
He has green bread.
Let's see, what can we do with this?
It has a lot of nuts. This is a good way to have texture to my dessert.
I'll give you $10 for your bread.
Wow, that's
All right?
nice of
All right,
you.
thank you.
How you doing, ma'am?
And then I see the chocolate mousse pie.
Is it possible that I can buy this pie from you? I pay $20 for it.
Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
I want to go plant-based, but just in case I have a pie crust for a backup.
Let me see what you have. Oh! Can I give you $40 for this, ma'am?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
$40. Wow. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
$10 for your bacon.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
There you go.
I'm thinking something sweet like a French toast wrapped in bacon.
Can I buy this from you? This egg whites? I'll give you $10 for that. We're in a competition. No, it's not. Thank you so much. I'll give you $10 for your ricotta. Okay. Great. Thank you. Sir. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'll give you $10 for your strawberries.
All right.
You're a lifesaver. There you go.
Good luck.
All right.
If you've got time and money, run into the store and get any one ingredient you want.
I'm going in, but not leaving this in my deep fryer.
Oh my God, where's the cream? Dairy, 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 dairy. Heavy cream. All right, we're doing it. Thank you.
3 minutes.
Looking good.
There's only one thing on my mind. I need strawberries.
How you doing, ma'am? I need shot. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. What I have for you today is ricotta French toast inside. I wrapped it in bacon. I made a caramel sauce.
So what I did was a chocolate empanada stuffed with mango compote.
With some strawberries on top.
All right, chefs, the winner of today's supermarket stakeout, who will be walking away with $10,000, a year's worth of groceries, is Chris. You really took a huge risk by making a dough from scratch with overpriced soy milk, bananas, and cocoa powder. By a hair, you won.
By a lock.
By a lot.